Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up loyalty points on Streamlabs. First, log into your Streamlabs dashboard and locate the CloudBot section. From there, click on the Loyalty tab to access the settings. You'll want to enable the loyalty system, which is usually a simple toggle switch. Then, give your points a fun, unique name, perhaps something like channel coins or stream bucks, to make them more engaging for your viewers. Now, let's customize how your viewers earn and spend points. You can easily adjust the rate at which viewers accumulate points just by watching your stream, perhaps 1 point every 5 minutes. Also, consider offering bonus points for active chatters to encourage engagement. Next, design exciting custom rewards, such as a song request for 500 points or a mod for day for 10,000 points. Clearly define the point cost for each reward. Once viewers start earning and redeeming, managing those requests is key. The Streamlabs dashboard provides a clear overview of all pending reward redemptions. You can easily mark them as fulfilled once completed. It's also wise to set limits on certain rewards, perhaps allowing only one shout-out per stream. Regularly check your transaction logs to keep track of point balances and ensure a smooth experience for everyone. Finally, make sure your community knows about your awesome loyalty program. Announce it on stream, through social media, and in your Discord server. Consider using a Streamlabs widget to display current point totals and available rewards directly on your stream, making it highly visible. Encourage viewers to engage and spend their hard-earned points. Remember to refresh your rewards periodically, perhaps every few months, to keep things exciting and encourage continued participation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.